Hello everyone, I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwara School, Gurgaon. Today I am here to clarify you about the concept of change in demand. The change in demand could be of two types. It could be movement in demand curve, it could be shift in demand curve. When we talk about movement in demand curve, it means that we remain on the same demand curve. Means we can move upward or downward on the same demand curve, but we never shift to a new demand curve. You can see in this curve. You have seen in that curve that there was a downward movement and a upward movement. That downward movement is showing you an increase in demand with a fall in price, and that upward movement was representing you that there was a decrease in demand due to increase in price. That backward movement is known as contraction of demand, and that forward movement is known as extension of demand. Now you can see that in this curve. I hope that extension and contraction concept is now clear to you all. Now let me start with the concept of shift in demand. Shift basically means that we are either shifting to a curve forward or a curve backward, and this happens due to the change in other factors. Price remain constant here, and other factors are affecting now our demand. We are not focusing on price, but we are focusing on other factors. Now if your taste and preference change, if your income change, if your price of substitute good change, if price of complementary good change, then there will be a shift in demand. We can either move forward or we can either shift backward, but in the movement it was only due to the change in prices. When there is a forward shift in demand curve, it means that our demand is increasing. And when there is a backward shift in demand curve, it means that our demand is decreasing. Okay. In that movement, we were using two terms, extension and contraction. And again, in the shift, we are considering two terms, increase and decrease. That will be clear to you with the curve. You can see that curve. In that image, in the first curve, we have shifted from DD curve to D1 curve. That was a rightward shift, and it is showing an increase in demand with constant prices. So this could be there in your mind that prices are not changing, but still demand is changing. It means that other factors are affecting our demand. It could be due to increase in income, for an example. Okay. And the next figure there was in that we were shifting from demand curve D1 to D2, and that was a backward shift. It is showing that our demand is decreasing, and again prices were constant there, so other factors are affecting our demand in a negative way, in an inverse manner. It means that if there suppose decrease in income, your income decrease, then what would you do? Even if the prices are affordable for others, but those are not affordable for you because you are not earning that much as you were previously earning. Hope that the concept of change in demand is now very clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.